How to build sexual tension using random elements. In this article, I am going to show you exactly how to create sexual tension with a lady over random stuff. The randomness factor creates a lot of excitement and is fun when talking to a lady. Especially if you want to tune the direction of the conversation to sexual. What is a random element and how do I get it? A random element is something that just comes out of nowhere or happenings in your vicinity. It can also be extended to include something you get out of her thoughts or just playing around with words. For instance, if the lady asks why my dog is barking so much, I might tell her, "It is alerting me that I have talked to you too much today. I'm sorry, I have to end this conversation now." I tell ladies now and then on the phone to hold on because I am cooking, and this is the sweetest part. Using random things in your conversation with a lady guarantees a lot of mystery in your conversation. And it amplifies her attraction for you. Always remember not to be predictable because that is the killer for attraction. You have to stand out from the crowd. That is the only guarantee that she will always remember you. In the past, I used to wonder why my friend would always question any lady they were talking to if the lady got defensive in anything. It is not until 5 years down the line that I learned how much that spices the conversation you are having with the lady. Now, I take every such chance as heaven sent and use it to tease any lady. At first, I used to just use it on somebody I am trying to seduce. Nowadays, I use it on any lady. The results are terrific. These random things infuse some liveliness in the conversation. It makes you a very challenging guy to deal with. She cannot at any given time predict what you will say or do. That keeps the conversation interesting. I have also learned never to act defensively. I don't explain myself to a lady. Not to say I disrespect ladies. It is the opposite. I actually adore ladies, and those in my inner circle know this too. It is just that over a long time of being defensive in my life, I learned how much that makes me appear insecure. The latter is the quickest killer for any attraction that you have built with a lady. Anytime you feel pressured to explain yourself, do it in a way that it does not sound that you are even attempting to justify yourself. Or explain yourself for that matter. Instead, build a habit of blaming anything apart from you. It is more interesting if you can turn it around and make it her fault. Just ensure that you are not coming out as arrogant. Make it fun. It is always a blessing if you can use the opportunity to amplify the sexual tension already built.